Bavarian crochet is a beautiful yet mysterious crochet technique that has captured the imagination of crocheters around the world. In this all-new Annie's online class, Australian designer and instructor Jenny King unveils the secrets of this amazing stitch and will teach you how to crochet it step by step. Jenny has structured this class to teach you the Bavarian crochet technique with no frustration. First, she'll demonstrate the basic stitch while working on an easy headband. As you practice along with her, you'll quickly gain confidence and be ready to progress to the next level, which is working Bavarian stitches flat in a pretty striped scarf. As you progress through this class and crochet each of the 7 attractive projects included, you'll soon master this technique and be able to work any Bavarian crochet pattern. And remember, as part of the Annie's online classes curriculum, you can trust that this and every Annie's online class is backed by an industry leader with decades of crafting experience, along with a 100% money-back guarantee, lifetime access to classes, and direct instructor guidance and feedback. Class patterns include an assortment of women's accessories and sweet baby projects. Join Jenny King and Annie's online classes and expand your crochet skills today.